Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best epoxy glue for wood that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. Also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Smith Industries Slow. If you're tackling uneven or porous surfaces, the BSI 205 excels at gap filling with its thick, slow cure formula. You get 30 minutes of working time, which is plenty for complex alignments. It reaches handling strength in 8 hours and maximum strength in 24, delivering an impressive 4,500 PSI tensile strength. It bonds wood, fiberglass, metal, glass, ceramics, and most plastics. It's also waterproof and impact resistant, making it reliable for structural repairs. You can even mix in fillers like micro balloons for a putty-like consistency, though expect about a 25% reduction in working time. Moving on, at number 4, we have the TotalBoat Thixo Thickened Epoxy Adhesive. Whether you're building boats or repairing them, TotalBoat Thixo thrives in marine use. Its Thixotropic gel formula won't sag on vertical or overhead surfaces, making it ideal for deck hull seams, rub rails, and stitch and glue joints. Beyond marine work, it bonds wood, fiberglass, metal, stone, concrete, and more. The 185mm cartridge fits any standard caulking gun, and the auto mix tip guarantees a precise 2.1 resin to hardener ratio without manual measuring. You get 50 minutes of working time and full cure in 24 hours. Once set, it's drillable, sandable, and paintable, a genuinely versatile structural adhesive. At number 3, we have the STARBOND Black Epoxy Putty Stick for DIY repairs. Working with dark woods demands a glue that blends in seamlessly, and the STARBOND Black Epoxy Putty Stick is tailor-made for that. You knead it by hand, press it into gaps, and it cures rock hard in just 61 minutes. It's sandable, shapeable, and paintable, so finishing is effortless. It bonds wood alongside metal, plastic, ceramic, and glass, making it versatile beyond a single project. It handles temperatures from 20 degrees to 392 degrees and resists water after curing. BPA-free, low odor, and non-crumbly, it's clean to use. Each unit delivers 2 Oz of reliable, high-viscosity putty. At number 2, we have the Brampton 30-minute waterproof multi. When you need a quick-set solution, Brampton's 30-minute waterproof epoxy delivers where it counts. This 2-part, 1.1 ratio kit bonds wood alongside metal, stone, glass, ceramic, and most plastics. It reaches a full cure in 1 hour, giving you a joint rated at 5,400 PSI tensile strength. You've got a 5-minute work life, so mix only what you need. It's sandable after 3 hours and paintable, making finishing easy. Waterproof and impact resistant, it handles vertical surfaces without sagging. With a 4.4 star rating from 366 reviews, it's a reliable choice for demanding wood repairs. And finally, at number 1, we have the Smith Industries BSI. Smith Industries BSI 201 Quick Cure. Epoxy stands out as a top all-around pick for woodworkers needing speed and reliability. You get a 5-minute working time, full cure in 15 minutes, and full strength within an hour. Its 3,500 PSI tensile strength handles high stress and high vibration applications confidently. The slightly flexible cure makes it ideal for wood joints that shift or flex. It bonds wood, metal, glass, ceramics, and most plastics, and you can mix it with micro balloons for a quick-setting putty. With a 4.7 star rating from over 5,000 reviews, it's a proven, dependable choice. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.